Hello and welcome. I'm JHippolyte, the Director of the IT Department at JJTD Regional Suites. Today my team and I will delve into our company business strategy, resource allocation, and information systems planning. We'll touch on our mission, objectives, current system shortcomings, corporate strategic planning, and information system planning. The logical data flow for our current and upcoming central reservation system, and the network diagram showing the overview of the developmental process. Additionally, we'll provide an example of an extreme programming session and even a brief description on how we plan to integrate AI into our new information system. In section 1, we shall be discussing the mission statement, company description, and the objectives. Our mission at JJTD Regional Suites is to provide global visitors with an immersive and lavish stay that celebrates our Caribbean heritage, culture, and cuisine. Our emphasis on sustainability extends to the incorporation of organic, locally sourced ingredients. We uphold a commitment to luxury, authenticity, and eco-conscious practices. JJTD Regional Suites is a luxury hotel venture that promotes Caribbean culture and sustainable practices. The company aims to create a hospitable experience for guests in the beautiful island locations around the Caribbean. The company is dedicated to providing an authentic, luxurious Caribbean experience. JJTD Regional Suites uses locally grown produce, free of chemical pesticides and fertilizers, and invites our guests to venture into our garden for fresh produce. The company's commitment to sustainability ensures a sustainable and enjoyable stay for guests worldwide. Our objectives: luxury. JJTD will provide a luxurious experience for all of our visitors. Sustainability. JJTD will operate with sustainable practices in mind. Heritage. JJTD will promote regional and Caribbean culture. Loyalty. JJTD will ensure customer and employee satisfaction. Ethics. JJTD will understand their social impact and ensure it is positive. Section 2. The shortcomings of the current information system. Data security. The current system encountered several security threats and a few data breaches in the past and experienced severe data loss. Management has also reviewed customer data privacy concerns and complaints on unauthorized charges on a reservations account. In light of these previous incidents, we at JJTD consider data privacy issues to be of utmost significance. We recognize that private, personal information is becoming increasingly vulnerable to unauthorized access and misuse. With the emergence of regulations such as GDPR and CCPA, organizations like ours are legally bound to secure our customers' data and maintain their privacy rights. Furthermore, customer concerns regarding illegal charges on their reservations account point to possible system security protocol flaws. Addressing such concerns are essential not only to rectify past issues, but also to prevent future incidents and safeguard the integrity of our booking and reservation platform. Reliability. The online platform would also experience frequent downtimes for maintenance. The system could not facilitate the increasing number of bookings or reservations, therefore causing the platform to crash regularly. Enhancing reservation accessibility for global guests. JJTD emphasizes the necessity of increasing reservation accessibility beyond in-person bookings in order to better meet the demands of visitors and foreign guests. Our current system caters mostly to those planning an immediate stay, therefore restricting alternatives for those looking forward to reserving their rooms ahead of time. This limitation makes it difficult to check our hotel's room availability and reserve ahead of time because visitors must physically visit the branch. We are dedicated to eliminating these constraints so that all of our valued visitors have a flawless and comfortable booking experience. Enhancing guest flexibility and satisfaction. JJTD's online booking system currently lacks the provisions for modifying or cancelling guest bookings, including requests for additional amenities such as meals, pool access, or adjustment in room specifications like bed or bath count, view preferences, or desired amenities, therefore posing restrictions on guest flexibility and satisfaction. Enhancing guest experience and operational efficiency. At JJTD, we acknowledge that our current online booking system does not offer the flexibility for guests to modify or cancel bookings, nor does it accommodate requests for additional amenities or adjustments to room specifications. This limitation undermines guest satisfaction and hampers their ability to tailor their stay according to their preferences.
Good day, my name is Dylan Parmaran, and we will now discuss the corporate strategic planning at the company JJTD Regional Suites. Firstly, what is corporate strategic planning? Well, the given definition of corporate strategic planning is defined as a process where models of a future or current enterprise are developed and refined, as well as the transition strategy of the enterprise. Corporate strategic planning has three components. These are the mission statement, statement of objectives, and the competitive strategy. The first component is the mission statement. The mission statement of an enterprise is what the enterprise actually does for business purposes. The mission statement of JJTDD is as follows. Our mission at JJTDD Regional Suites is to provide global visitors with an immersive and lavish stay that celebrates our Caribbean heritage, culture, and cuisine. Our emphasis on sustainability extends to the incorporation of organic, locally sourced ingredients. We uphold a commitment to luxury, authenticity, and eco-conscious practices. The second component is the statement of objectives. The statement of objectives are the goals an enterprise has and where they want to end up. The statement of objectives are expressed as a series of statements that are not very detailed due to objectives changing over the enterprise's life cycle. Businesses have ever-changing needs and wants which would affect the statement of objectives over time. The statement of objectives for JJTDD are as follows. 1. JJTDD will promote regional Caribbean culture. JJTD will provide a luxurious experience for all visitors. We will operate with sustainable practices in mind. We will understand their social impact and ensure it is positive. We will ensure customer and employee satisfaction is high. After both the mission statement and objectives are completed, a competitive strategy needs to be determined. The competitive strategy is the method an enterprise sets out to meet its previously stated mission and objectives. It is used to gain a competitive advantage in the business world. The competitive strategy for JJTD Regional Suites is as follows. We encourage the promotion of Caribbean culture. JJTD wants to provide an immersive cultural experience for visitors. The promotion of Caribbean culture would be done by incorporating food, history, music, and dance of different Caribbean cultures, creating a unique experience for hotel guests. This method of the promotion of Caribbean culture encourages product differentiation, which would put JJTD in a niche and new option for hotel guests. Furthermore, the focus on sustainability to being environmentally and socially conscious in employment, food preparation, and farming practices puts JJTD in a progressive and unique position as a hotel chain.
Hello everyone, my name is Trevor Quarrising. What is Information Systems Planning, also known as ISP? Information Systems Planning is the means of assessing information needs of an organization and defining new systems, database, and technologies that will best satisfy those needs. Components of information systems planning. ISP involves organizing technological projects with strategic objectives, analyzing requirements and resources, and managing risk and change. It includes analyzing technological alternatives, coordinating project execution, and assessing performance. Addressing these components allows firms to create successful information systems that support business objectives and promote success. Business units are essential components of a company, responsible for various tasks and activities to achieve its goals. These units use various processes such as reservation management, online booking requests, and check-in check-out procedures to achieve specific objectives. Data entities such as guest information, booking data, and inventory management systems are used by these units to perform tasks and achieve goals. For instance, the guest booking process uses guest and room data to make reservations, while the financial reporting process uses invoice and revenue data to compile financial statements. Many business divisions, processes, and organizations are interdependent and interact with each other, such as the housekeeping unit relying on inventory management systems for cleaning supplies and the accounting and finance unit using room revenue data for financial reporting.
The ultimate goal of JJTD's Regional Suites Information System is to improve our guest experiences and simplify operations using an innovative online booking platform. Objectives of the IS of JJTD. The information system will assist in establishing an online booking platform where guests would be allowed to make room reservations remotely, therefore broadening the customer base and improving convenience for tourists and foreign guests. The IS online platform will allow JJTD to provide individualized services based on guest preferences, therefore enhancing customer experience and satisfaction. The IS will enable secure and efficient payment processing, ensuring that the transaction process for visitors are straightforward and minimize the possibility of errors or fraud. The IS will automate the processes for room assignments and booking confirmation, decreasing the time it would take to perform these operations and reduce the risk of errors or double bookings. The IS will offer financial reporting and analysis capabilities, providing insights into JJTD's financial status and enabling informed decision-making. The IS will deliver real-time status updates on room availability, enabling more efficiency for assigning guests and schedule routine room service tasks. The IS will facilitate integration with decision support systems to execute staff in evaluating. The IS will facilitate integration with decision support systems to executive staff in evaluating trends and patterns, simplifying strategic planning techniques and resource allocation.
Now, long-range IS strategies. Scalability is the first IS strategy, which is a cloud-based infrastructure that scales with growth, and a modular system architecture is needed. The second IS strategy is alignment with organizational goals. Regular IT audits ensures technology investment supports strategic goals. Strategic goals may include cultural promotion, sustainability, and customer satisfaction. Close collaboration between IT and other departments is essential. The third IS strategy is future technology. Staying informed about emerging technology like AI and chatbots to personalize experience and automate tasks is crucial. Investment in R&D for disruptive technologies can provide a competitive advantage. The fourth IS strategy is evolving user needs. Regular user surveys and feedback should be used to adapt the platform and user interface based on user preferences and industry trends. Another IS strategy is automating operational processes. So, automating repetitive tasks like reports, confirmations, and analysis frees up staff time for more valuable tasks. Another IS strategy would be focusing on customer satisfaction. The CRM and data analytics should be used to personalize experiences and prioritize guest feedback for continuous improvement. Another IS strategy is improved decision making. Data analytics tools should be used to generate reports for informed decision making by management. Lastly, faster response to market demands. The flexibility of a cloud-based system allows faster adaptation to changing market trends and new marketing initiatives. So these are the long-term IS strategies, which paints a picture of what can be done with the new system in the future and how it will be utilized to continuously improve and give greater satisfaction to the customers as they give the feedback and the system is improved upon based on what the customers believe can be changed or isn't working as efficiently as it should be working.
The plan includes an online booking platform, integration with decision support systems, and financial reporting enhancements. It also emphasizes supporting local culture, goods, and brands to differentiate and foster community engagement. However, ongoing monitoring and adaptation are crucial to address challenges and capitalize on opportunities. By remaining agile and responsive, JHTD can ensure the successful implementation and long-term success of its IS strategy. Section 5. The logical data flow of the current and new information system. After completing the booking process, the system would produce a unique identifier for the reservation and save it in the booking database alongside the reservation details, such as check-in and check-out dates, room type, and any other preferences or requests. This information will be used to monitor hotel availability, track reservations, and send booking confirmations to guests. Without a guest database, guests may have to re-enter their contact information each time they make a reservation, resulting in a less efficient booking process. Furthermore, the hotel will miss out on the ability to customize visitor experiences and services based on prior visits or preferences. Figure 2.2. In the hotel's booking section of the data flow diagram, guests can reserve rooms and amenities tailored to their preferences and budget. The platform offers immediate updates regarding room availability, enabling guests to select from a range of options. Following the room and amenity selection process, secure transactions occur. The booking database is then promptly updated with the guest reservation specifics. Simultaneously, the guest database is refreshed with contact details and booking history. The guest would then receive confirmation notifications via email or SMS, containing their pertinent booking information.
I'll be giving a brief explanation on the network overview. This entails the network diagram showing the overview of the development process. So in the first phase, the requirements gathering, we gather information about the system and a new system. Why we need a new system, the improvements that could be made or incorporated in the new system. Some requirements like the database, a cloud database, an online booking platform, as well as a customer loyalty program. In the second phase, second step, is analysis of requirements. This analyzes the information gathered in the first phase, determining if and how each of the requirements can be implemented and how they will work for the online booking platform. It should be secure, which is a requirement, especially when it comes to payment. This step also involves how the requirements are going to be met, buying a license or in-house development or by open source software. The third step is system architecture design, which can go hand in hand with UI/UI design. In this phase of the system planning, the layout, the user experience, and how components will interact with each other are discussed. This ensures that the system is user-friendly, aligns with the stakeholders' requirements, for example, adjustable font size and appropriate color schemes, as well as a sensible wireframe. The next step is data model design and deployment, which involves creating a blueprint for the system. How data will be stored, the structure, and how data will be accessed, how all processes will be linked securely to the cloud database system. The next step is development, which focuses on writing the code and editing the code if using open source. Here, the database will be set up and all resources connected. The cloud database being licensed, connected to the payment system, etc. The next stage is testing. In the testing stage, we focus on ensuring the data model and the development system functions accordingly. If it does not, the code or the system is edited to correct the issues that have arisen. This is repeated until the system functions as best as possible. User documentation is the next step. This involves creating documentation for users on how to interact with the system and access data efficiently. It entails how the features of the system work, like data collection, payment, the customer loyalty program, etc. A guide for both or all stakeholders is created in this phase. Lastly, deployment and training, which focuses on making the system available for users and providing training and guidance. Maybe a video is created for the customers and for the employees. If any training is needed, a brief introduction of the system and the features, and maybe a handbook if necessary.
Section 7. An example of an extreme programming session. In a previous session, a project was aimed to create a recipe online application for health-conscious consumers and young adults seeking nutritious meal alternatives. The goal was to create a user-friendly platform with a variety of healthy meals and dietary categories, offering tools to help users make educated nutritional decisions. The planning phase involved defining project requirements, analyzing problem requirements, designing the website, and coding. The team collaborated on wireframes, mockups, and coding to ensure usability and accessibility. Pair programming was used to overcome logical errors and implement complex functionalities. Regular tests were run to ensure correctness and functionality, with changes integrated into the main code base. This incremental approach allowed for iterative development and continuous improvement, allowing the team to add user inputs, adjust functionalities, and revise design components as needed. Section 8. The question. In the new information system, how can artificial intelligence be incorporated? Artificial intelligence can be used to analyze guest preferences and behavior to make tailored suggestions for accommodation, options, amenities, and local attractions, therefore increasing guest satisfaction and loyalty. It may also be utilized for AI-powered customer service chatbots, which can manage client inquiries and help by responding quickly to frequent questions, booking requests, and support inquiries, increasing efficiency and responsiveness.